Good day everyone. Okay, my name is LEE ZHI XUAN. So this video I will explain about the vacuole, the unique organelles under the plant. Okay, so this video will be explain about the structure of the vacuole and also its function. So as you guys know that vacuole is one of the organelles normally occur in the plant. Inside within the plant. So the plant containing the very large and located at the center of the cell that containing we call as vacuole. So normally it is the fluid filled set bounded organelles by a single membrane we call as tonoplast like that. So these like the fluid filled organelles that fluid filled organelles by single membrane, and this membrane is we call as tonoplast. And the fluid vacuole is called as cell sub. This vacuole is not water, you can just say water or any fluid. This one is we call as cell sub. So when you talk about the cell sub, then you know lah, this is the water or fluid inside the vacuole. The scientific terms that normally containing sugar, mineral salt, and also waste product lah. But major component is water. But vacuole is also found in animal or alga. Normally is the contractical vacuole or food vacuole. So normally it's very small lah, like the plant one. Plant is very big, but normally you will find in animal is very small. And some organisms also consist of food vacuole. So normally it's amoeba and paramecium lah. They containing food vacuole. Okay, so the function of the vacuole is normally I talk about plant. So normally the function of the vacuole is to pump out the excess water from cell to maintain the soluble concentration of ion inside the cell. So this one is contractile vacuole. Contractile vacuole. This one is too special for animal only. Animal cell. So where the animal cell that containing this type of vacuole, so normally is to pump out excess water to maintain the suitable concentration of ion inside the cell. Because in animal cell, you cannot immerse in hypotonic condition. But hypotonic condition is cannot. The animal cell cannot survive one. Only the plant cell can. Plant cell is able, but animal cell cannot. So once the animal cell is exposed to the hypotonic condition, hypotonic condition, this contractical vacuole will take role lah. Take role. Okay, so another one is there some vacuole also carry enzyme that can play the major role like lysosome. And the small vacuole in plant can hold reserve of important organic compound, and it protect the plant against herbivore by storing compound that are poison. This one is another characteristic of the plant that to prevent the animal to eat it. Herbivore is the primary consumer that normally eat plant like cow and sheep lah. Cow and sheep is the herbivore, right? So they only eat plant only. They eat grass only or any plant. They only eat plant. So this plant, certain plant they are poison where the vacuole containing poison substance. So that where this animal eat it, they will die. One of the major characteristics. And another one is also containing blue and red pigment to attract the pollination from insect. And another one is central vacuole play the major role in growth of plant cell that will enlarge when absorb water. So you know that in plant cell they will enlarge. And when the size of the cell is large, they require many water. You need to have many water so that they can and the cells can be enlarged. So if you see that if there are no vacuole, the plant cell size is very small. They cannot enlarge one. It's very small. But when there are water, so that the cell can be enlarged, increase its size more easily lah compared to animal cell. Okay, so that's all about the function of the vacuole. So hopefully you guys can understand it. So thank you for watching and bye.